Okay, silence please. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm gonna go through every one of them. Okay? So, what is the wavelength of electromagnetic radiation light with a frequency of 5 by 10 to the power of 12 Hertz? So, the formula for wavelength is the speed of light divided by the frequency, that is 5 by 10 to the power of 12. And the only thing you gotta do is to take your calculator and do. Remember, in your iPhones you got the key EE, that means EE means by 10 to the power of whatever. So to write 5 by 10 to the power of 12, you just type 5 EE 1 2. Okay? So this would be 3x8 divided by 5x or EE 12. That is 6 by 10 to the power of minus 5. Wavelength is a length, is meters. Okay? I go on. Can I go on? 3, 2, 1. Next one. What is the energy of a photon of red light that has a wavelength of 6.47 by 10 to the power of minus 7? The formula for energy, knowing the wavelength, is Planck constant by the speed of light divided by the wavelength. So you go 6.63 x 34, change the sign, times 3x8 divided by 6.47 x or EE 7 minus. That is 10 to the power of minus 19, and this is joules because it's energy, okay? It's joules. Silence, please. Go on, next one. What is the frequency of ultraviolet light that has an energy of 5.2 by 10 to the power of minus 8 joules? So you can take for the formula of energy the frequency, that would be the energy, divided by the Planck constant, that would be 5.2 by 10 to the power of minus 8. That would be 8 minus divided by 7.84 by 10 to the power of 25, being frequency, the unit is Hertz. The only thing you gotta do is find the correct formula and use it, okay? And it's always 1 or 2 operations at most. Can I go on? What? That one? Again, okay. This one. 6.63 EE 34 minus times 3 EE 8 divided by 6.47 EE 7 minus. Next one. Light with a wavelength of 475 nanometers is blue. Calculate the energy in joules for a photon of blue light. So nano is by 10 to the power of minus 9. Okay? And that's the only new thing about that. 6.63 x34 minus times 3x8 divided by 7.5 x9 minus being energy is joules, okay? Next one. Low pressure sodium lamps like the ones used in parking lots emit yellow light. If the wavelength is 5.879 by 10 to the power of minus 7, which is the frequency? It has two questions. First, the frequency, that is the speed of light, divided by the wavelength. This will be Hertz. And to calculate the energy, use the formula for energy, writing the wavelength here, okay? Next one. The wavelength of a laser used in a DVD player is 604 nanometers. What is the frequency? So you divide the speed of light by the wavelength. Nano is 10 to the power of minus 9. And there you go. Gonna do the 7 and then the other 3 you do it, okay? 7 in an hydrogen atom when an electron falls from the 5th to the 2nd energy level. It emits a photon of violet light with a frequency of 6.905 by 10 to the power of 14. This is 14 here. And the energy is a Planck constant times the frequency, okay? Okay, do the